Question: what do you get when you combine one of the best DEXs around, Uniswap, with one of the most solid and secure networks for crypto around, Syscoin? Introducing Pegasys Protocol. Hello everybody, it's Crypto Lamb here. I hope you are all doing well. And today we're going to be talking about Pegasys Protocol, the latest AMM on the Syscoin network. And what is an AMM? It is an automated money marker, a little bit like Uniswap. Well, a lot like Uniswap, actually. They have taken the Uniswap platform and essentially made their own on the Syscoin network using their new enhanced virtual machine, which is an enhanced version of the Ethereum virtual machine. And as you can see here, it looks very, very similar to Uniswap indeed, but it is not Uniswap. They have taken the solid programming from Uniswap and applied it to what they're going to be doing on the Syscoin network. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it, as BlockDesk Ventures say in their Medium article here. If you take a look at their tweet, BlockDesk Ventures are delighted to announce their Tier 1 strategic investment with Pegasys DEX, or Pegasys Protocol. If we go to the Medium article, we have the full write-up here from BlockDesk Ventures, and it says they are delighted to announce their latest Tier 1 strategic investment, Pegasus. Pegasys Protocol is for creating liquidity and trading on the EVM-compatible Syscoin blockchain. It is a decentralized exchange, or DEX, with the same automated market maker model of Uniswap, and it offers three key beneficial traits: fast, cheap transactions, high-quality development, and market compatible token distribution. So if I was to ask you now, could you go back in time and invest in Uniswap when they first launched, I would assume most of you would probably say, yes, I missed that boat, I wish I had got into it sooner. Well, now you can with Pegasys Protocol. They are essentially the same. If you don't know what Syscoin is a very interesting ecosystem indeed, with a lot of new partnerships coming out of the woodwork. With Pegasys Protocol just being one of those new ones which I am looking at today. But Syscoin in particular are a very, very fast growing network indeed, utilizing their new enhanced virtual machine, and their testnet is live. If you head over to syscoin.org, you can take a look at that and partake if you wish. But essentially, Syscoin takes the security and structure of Bitcoin. They are a fork on Bitcoin, so they are basically mined in conjunction with Bitcoin, but then also the fluidity and the ability of ERC20 tokens on the Ethereum network. So they combine those two ideas together and create probably one of the most versatile networks around. So taking a look at the Syscoin network, you will see that they have the layer 1 EVM called NEVM, and it aims to leverage Syscoin's upcoming layer 2 with ZK rollups. So zero knowledge rollups are very interesting because they essentially end up taking knowledge off of the blockchain and storing it elsewhere, and it just allows for faster transactions and things like that. So imagine being able to send transactions like Bitcoin, but rather than costing a couple of dollars to send them, or an Ethereum, $1 million per transaction, because of the gas fees, imagine only literally a few cents or even fractions of a cent, but also being incredibly, incredibly fast. But now with Pegasys, you can also switch between Sys token and other stable coins currently, wrapped ETH and wrapped Bitcoin as well, and wrapped Syscoin as well. So no doubt there'll be more tokens added to that as time goes on. But you also have the pooling and farm as well, so you can add liquidity and things like that. So these things add a lot of liquidity to the markets as they are. But there is a lot of amazing things coming from this group, with a lot of DeFi apps being created along the way. So Syscoin is growing extraordinarily fast, and I am proud to be a part, or an early investor, in the Pegasys Protocol. And I hope you will all join me in celebrating what is another fantastic product for decentralized finance, because we need more of it, not less. In this day and age, especially with the uncertainty of the markets right now, we need decentralization, not centralization. So ultimately, if you want to jump in and you want to get yourself some Pegasys, which is the governance token for Pegasys Protocol, then we're going to go and take a quick look at the tokenomics behind it. And here is a general breakdown, or simplified Genesis allocation. You can see here that 50% is allocated for liquidity mining, 18% is allocated for the community, 16% for team and ops, and 16% investors. And there is a more in-depth breakdown on those tokenomics at pegasus.finance/blog/PSYS, and the link is in the description for that, and you can go and take a look at the tokenomics. They also have information on the liquidity mining airdrops, and they also have a release schedule and 2-year plan, as you can see from the graphic that I've developed here. So the 2-year plan, the overall Pegasys token release goes as follows, and there is a far more detailed breakdown on the site as well. Mine are just simplified graphs, if you will. So in terms of deflation, the initial phase of the Pegasus protocol is aimed at distributing tokens fairly and getting the community started on leading future development. No deflationary mechanisms are in place from the get-go, but can be achieved through different methods. And again, you can take a look at all of this yourself, and all of the links are in the description, but I'm just letting you know that this is going to be the next hottest thing in terms of decentralized finance on the Syscoin network. So there is a lot more to come for that. Now, if you want me to discuss more, what is an Ethereum virtual machine, what is the new enhanced virtual machine, what are AMMs, what are DEXs, all of that kind of thing, leave a message in the comments below for me and let me know what you think of Pegasus Protocol. Do you want me to explain more about these virtual machines, or are you already up to date with what they are and what they do? If you want me to do a follow-up video and explain what these things are, I will happily go into detail and do so that you guys can better understand why this is a big deal and why it is changing the landscape and bringing forth new innovative technologies to different blockchains, in particular the Syscoin network. So congratulations on BlockDesk Ventures for announcing their strategic investment with Pegasys DEX. You can go and check out my weekly videos on news updates for crypto on BlockDesk Ventures YouTube channel, and of course you can see me right here talking about projects like this in the future, where you can subscribe and leave a comment, like and share the hell out of this video. Thanks very much for watching. I will catch you very soon with an update. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.